Good morning. This is Mama Hoss here. We're in the kitchen. We're gonna cook up these sweet dumpling squash that I picked Saturday.
In the pan, I've got some onion, some garlic, some poblano pepper sliced up real thin, and a banana pepper. And I'm just gonna saute these real good for my toppings.
Really sharp knife. And then you're gonna take a spoon and actually get this pulp out and the seeds. So just go right along there and get that out. I've got my pan here and I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil in here. Kind of brush that out. And for the first 15 minutes, I'm actually gonna place them down like that and let them cook. So I'm gonna put me some olive oil on top. Don't be stingy with the olive oil. Okay, we're gonna season them with some salt and one of Greg's favorite, Cavengers. And I like to add a little bit of pepper. Okay, so now we're just gonna take these and I'm gonna turn them down and we're gonna put them in a 350 oven for about 15 minutes. And then we'll take them out and put our toppings on and put them back in for another 15. So we're going to take our onions and pepper mixture and put right in there in the middle. That's the way we like it. Then I'm going to take some bacon and sprinkle over the top. And then I also have just a little bit of some minced garlic. And then the last thing is some Parmesan cheese. Okay, these will go back in the oven for about 10 minutes and they'll be ready to eat.